Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft Azure for free account access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Go to the Microsoft Azure homepage. Look for the option that says Start Free. Click on the Start Free button. You will be directed to the registration page. If you already have a Microsoft account, select Sign In. If you do not have an account, click on Create One. Fill in the required credentials, such as your email address. Follow the prompts to verify your email address. Once verified, set a strong password for your account. Afterward, fill in your personal information. This includes your name, country, and phone number. Next, provide a valid phone number for verification. You will receive a text or call to confirm your number. Enter the verification code when prompted. Now, enter your billing information. Do note that you won't be charged initially. Review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on Sign Up to finalize your registration. Once completed, you will be redirected to the Azure dashboard. From here, you can start exploring the free services. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the interface. Look for the available resources and tutorials. This will help you get started effectively. You now have a free Microsoft Azure account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.